suffering from shoe bites, then definitely go for these socks. What I do is I wear the socks first before wearing the shoe, and then I put my shoe on. This is so good, guys. The main attraction or the unique feature that this heel has is that it has a circular heel. I am not a person who wears heel. Why? Because I add ankle twist in both of my legs. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, thank you so much for showering your love towards my previous video. This video is also on Amazon All. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. The first product, the first footwear that I'm going to show you is from Mochi. This has a 1-inch kitten heel. I am not a person who wears heel. Why? Because I add ankle twist in both of my legs, so I am not supposed to wear heels. It's not like I'm not supposed to wear, but I couldn't wear heels. So whenever I go to buy footwear, I try the heel and I couldn't even stand. The moment I put my foot in the heels, I would get down. Not even a second I could stand on the heel. So that's how my ankle, that's how my legs are. I can only wear wedges, sandal wedges, flat wedges or flat sandals. That's it I can wear. But now I thought, okay, let me try the kitten heels, maybe 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and let's see how it works and how I feel. And that's when I got the Mochi's kitten heel, which is of 1 inch. This is so good, guys. It has a black color to it, and if you could look it closely, it has a textured pattern going on. This is an open toe with kitten heel of 1 inch. This is so good. You can pair this with anything because this is black. You don't need every color of footwear in this world. When I was in college, I did buy a lot of colors, guys. I would match my tops or t-shirt with the color of the shoe. It's okay, you can also do that, but you don't need everything in this world. I mean, you don't need every color in this world. All you need is just 3 colors for footwear: nude, black and white. If you have these 3, you are sorted. And that's why I bought this black slip-on. As I told you, I do not own any heels at all. In my shoe rack, you could only see a lot of casual shoes, a lot of sneakers. That's it. So this is my first heel, and this is kind of special to me because it fitted me properly, and the most important thing is it's comfortable, guys. I did not get any ankle pain or difficulty in walking in this heel. And this is the Mochi's heel. I bought all the heels around 1 inch, not more than that, because I'm a beginner when it comes to heels. So I bought everything in 1 inch, 1.5 inch, around 1 inch. And the size I bought is a 5 UK and 38 Euro. In this style, there is also color options available, but I went with the classic black one. The next one is also my favorite. I would say all the footwear in this haul is my favorite because I spent a lot of time in choosing it. I did a lot of research whether this would suit my ankle, whether this would fit me, whether I would have difficulty in walking, but thank God nothing happened. Everything went positively. So this is the second heel. This is also kind of a small heel. This is not a pencil heel. This is a small heel. The main attraction or the unique feature that this heel has is that it has a circular heel. Usually heels are like long or rectangular in shape. That's how heels come in. But this one has a circular heel, which is a unique feature to it. And also the heel is transparent as well as the top layer. The top layer is transparent plastic, so and also this is so comfortable to walk in. And also these kind of transparent shoes will go with any kind of outfit, be it a casual or a party or formal. You can pair this with anything, and that's the uniqueness of these shoes. This is from a brand called AANA London. This also has a cushion over the heel which supports while walking. And I bought this in the color nude pink. As I told you, we need to have one nude color. It can be a tan brown color or it can be nude pink color. That's totally fine. I bought the pink nude one. This is also available in black and olive green colors, but I chose the nude pink one because it can suit anything and everything. The next one is a pair of slip-on again. This also has a transparent plastic wrapped over here. I think when a shoe has this transparent plastic, it also works as a waterproof. Not sure, but this has a transparent plastic, and this also has the transparent heel attached to it. As I told you, transparent can go with anything and everything, and that's why I bought This is also in the transparent variant. I ordered the shade mustard. I thought by looking at the pictures, it would be like a tan brown or a nude brown in color. But then I received in the mustard color itself because that's what the option says mustard. But I thought by looking at the picture, it would be a nude color. But I'm totally wrong with that. I got a mustard shade. I thought of returning it with a white color. But then my mom said, you could actually wear this with Indian wedding outfits, and that's why I kept it. The sole part of all the 3 shoes are sturdy and nice in quality, guys. I would check the quality of a shoe by looking at the sole, because sole is what that gives you longevity. Or the sole of all the 3 shoes will last you quite long enough. I'm sure about that. The next one is an interesting item. I bought this pair of silicone anti-crack socks. This socks is mentioned as anti-crack, but why I bought this silicone sock is that I can use this to prevent a shoe bite. I have an H&M shoe and that shoe bites me badly, guys, but that is my favorite shoe, and I also developed a scar because of the shoe bite in both of my legs, and that's when I discovered this silicone socks. What I do is I wear these socks first before wearing the shoe, and then I put my shoe on. This is so good, guys. After wearing this, my shoe did not bite me at all. This is so good. Thank God for that. My shoe did not bite, and this is comfortable. I even forget that I'm wearing a socks underneath my shoe. It is that comfortable. You don't feel anything. It's pretty good, guys. Very soft. This is squishy. I even forget that I'm wearing a sock. If you're suffering from shoe bites, then definitely go for these socks. The next and the last product of this all is the Lino Perros white satchel bag. The rule that I told you for footwear, that it is enough to have a black, white and nude colors, the same rules applies for bag also. It's a sling bag. You can also use this as a handbag by holding the handle, but a sling handle is also given inside, which I'm gonna use it as a sling bag. This is my first Lino Perros bag. My mom is a big fan of handbags. She has a lot of handbags from Lino Perros, Caprese, Cathy London and whatnot, all the popular brands that is available, and she suggested me that go for Lino Perros. It is a very good brand. The longevity is so good. Even if you use this bag for everyday usage, guys, in rain and in sun, this is gonna last you really long. So that's why I got this bag, and it's also quite spacious inside. It has a main compartment. The main compartment is divided by a zipper pocket where you can keep your money, you can keep your cash or any other valuables. And the main compartment is quite spacious. You could keep all your things in it. But I won't suggest you to use this bag for your office usage, because this cannot hold your laptop, as well as there is not much enough space. You cannot keep your water bottle inside, you cannot keep your tab inside and all of that. It is not that much spacious, but it's quite spacious. You can use this for your party or for a occasion or for a vacation. You can definitely use this bag. The unique feature of this bag is that it has golden details all over the bag. When I was searching white bags on Amazon, I saw white bags which has a silver color added to it. I am currently loving the gold vibes. The only bag that I saw in the combination of white and gold is this Lino Perros bag. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I will leave all the links in the description box. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you
so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.